Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate distance in Google Maps. To calculate distance in Google Maps, first of all, launch open Google Maps app on your device and then go ahead and tap on the search box at the top of the screen. Now enter the name of your destination and then click on the directions button. Google Maps will then show you the estimated time, distance at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and select whether you are going through bus, car, walking, or transit. Right after you do that, you will then be able to see the arrived time, kilometer, under the route preview. If you want to measure a straight line distance, then all you need to do is to get to the home page of Google Maps and then go ahead and zoom in on the map and press and hold the area you'd like to measure. A red pin will drop in the location. You will then be able to see a little expanded menu at the bottom. Simply go ahead and open that up and you will then be able to see the time calculated. Simply tap on the measure distance button from the menu and that's how you can easily find the distance for a straight line. Straight line distance is ideal for flight paths or area planning, and that's how you can easily measure distance or calculate distance in Google Maps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.